Oh wait, no! 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 So now I'm in Mong Kok, but my mum just called me and asked me to buy some masks for her. And I need to get to exit E2, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's exit E2. I really don't know where that is, so I need to take a look at the map. Over there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Anyways, I'll just go. My mum said it's just outside of exit E2, so I'll just go and see. I rarely come to Mong Kok, so I don't really know. I might get lost and I need to stop filming and use my phone. I might need to use Google Maps. I don't want to interrupt the filming, so hopefully I don't need to use Google Maps. Let's see. Into this way. Here we go. Now we are. I don't know where I am. Oh wait, I think that's it. It said mask, anywhere, everywhere. So I think that's it. Oh wait, is it? Oh, I don't know where I am. That says mask, but I think it's called Vanex or something.
This is hard evidence that I need to make an appointment with an ophthalmologist or optician. Fuck Gaima.
End of flashback.
I think I'm lost. I think I'm just lost. Oh wait, no, I'm here. Siu straight south. See that? See that? Yep. So I'm on the right street. This way? Maybe this way. Can't see any Venice stuff.
One eternity later.
So I just figured out where that place is, and obviously I am dumb or stupid because you see, you remember this place, the Mask X. It's not this one. It's right here. Here. I need to come to here, and this is the Mong Kok station. It's just literally on my left, and I missed it. And I was wandering along the street like a complete idiot. So many different masks. Though I don't really care about masks, but my mum wants it, so I'm just gonna get those she wants, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
5 minutes later.
Now I just got the mask. I'm thinking about walking to OO.
Australia Dairy Company, also known as Aussie Cow, thanks to Uncle Siu, a charismatic content creator by the way, is a legendary tartan tank renowned for its efficiency. I'm not familiar with the etymology, but according to Wikipedia, it's called OO because the owner worked in an Australian farm back in the 40s. Anyway, everyone should make a pilgrimage to OO if you want to truly experience Hong Kong.
But I need to check out the GoPros. But I don't know where I am. If I remember correctly, I need to turn left. I hope it's this way. Let's see. So this is Nathan Road. I think it's the longest road in Hong Kong. I think it's here. I think. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's here, it's here. The English is, it's quite hilarious. It's called Sim City, as you can see. It's called Sim City, and there are lots of cameras in here. I'm not sure if I'll get one. Oh, I think I need cash too. I don't think they accept credit cards. Okay, this is much better, much better, much better. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't think there's GoPro here. Oh my god, so way too professional here. I look so stupid using my phone. 唔該，我想問有冇 GoPro 啊 ？No， 冇，哦好唔該你。No， 冇，哦好唔該。No， 我冇，好唔該。唔該，我想問有冇 GoPro 啊呢度？有。哦有 GoPro 喺全新。啊 Hero 9係咪？哦喺邊度？唔好意思，想問有冇 GoPro 啊呢度？
點樣講多次？
有冇 GoPro 啊？
你想有啊
GoPro Hero 9。Okay, I just checked out the cameras and there's a new discovery. There are drones. I can buy drones there, and that is definitely something I would want more than a GoPro.
Because then I can show you how Hong Kong looks like from above. And drones are fun, right? Well, now that I've checked out GoPro, let's begin our pilgrimage to Aussie Cow.
I need to walk for 22 minutes, or I can take the MTR, and I've decided that I would walk because, you know, eco-friendly for Earth. So I'm just gonna walk and see.
Nathan Road is quite special because it is uncommon to find long straight roads in Hong Kong. You can walk all the way from Victoria Harbour to Prince Edward. Well, don't do this in summer unless you're dumb like me or you're a masochist. Yep, that's it. Bye.
Oh yeah. Can you guys see it? It's right there. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna wait in the shadows. Oh wait, I can cross the road now. Okay. Let's see. It's right there. Oh wait, no! It's closed. What? It's closed. Oh no! What? I walked all the way here.
I'm tired.
Look. Oh. Okay. So this is the one that I was talking about. Yes, because I'm such an idiot. There's a notice here.
The notice wrote, Labour regulations stipulate that every employee is entitled to 4 days of holiday each month. Thus, starting from April 2012, we'll close on every Thursday.
Today is Thursday. I didn't know that. Lesson learned. So good thing for me. I'm really dumb. So I'm just going to tell my friends and tell my mom how dumb I am, and let them laugh at me. You know, spread some positivity. We walked all the way to Jordan Station. Now I need to find something to eat. I don't even know what's good around here. Shall we go back to Sham Shui Po? I suppose I'm just going to... oh, that's a cute cat from Manning's. Anyways, I'll just get something to eat, just random stuff. Yeah, so see you guys in a bit.
Luckily, I got to enjoy this mouth-watering dish of spaghetti bolognese in a nearby tartan tank. So see you next time. Bye bye.